Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile your bank account. The bank account that I'm reconciling, it's a make-believe bank for a project that I'm working on. And more specifically, it's an account that has a main account or a corporate account with a couple of sub-accounts. I'm specifically working on a project or a course to demonstrate how to do a cleanup, so you might notice some stuff is a little bit weird, but at the very least, I thought I could show you how to reconcile your bank account in QuickBooks Online. So let's do this. I'm going to go back to the home page so you can see it from the beginning. I'm at the home page for my QuickBooks Online file. I'm going to go to Transactions on the left-hand side of my screen, and then I'll select Reconcile. I'm going to choose the account that I'll be reconciling. I'm reconciling 7821. The way that I know that is because it's up here at the top. So on my make-believe bank, it's account number 7821. When I look at the beginning balance, it says $0. But if I look at the beginning balance on this statement, it's $595. I'm going to enter $595 as my beginning balance. My ending date is going to be the day before this statement begins. So my ending date is going to be January 14th. So I'm going to go 1/14/23. I'll click Tab, and then it just fills in the slashes for me. I'm going to select Start Reconciling. I don't know for sure what's on the statement because I don't have the statement. Now, I don't have the statement because I haven't made the statement. We're just going to make believe that I actually have the statement. So I think that it's all of these things. Yeah, it's all these things. I just forgot to make a statement. So we'll click Finish now, and then I'll reconcile the second month so you can see how it works with the statement. So my statement ending is 1/14. My beginning balance is $595. When I look at this statement, it ends on 2/14. So I'm going to say my ending date is 2/14/23. My ending balance. My ending balance is going to be the ending balance for the entire credit card statement, not the charges for each individual cardholder. I'm going to copy this. I'll paste it into ending balance, and I'm going to select Start Reconciling. I'm going to look through my charges. So I have 36, 77, and 150. So 36, 77, 150. I'm going to go down. I've got 135, 46, 83. So 135, 46, and 83. Then I've got 120. And then it says the total for this credit card is 647. So I'm just going to select the 120. I'm going to look at the next credit card, 75, 199, and 114. 75, 199, 114, followed by 62 and 89. My difference is 0, so I can click Finish now. What I want you to see before I do that is that I have 1186 in charges. That matches my charges here. And then I have $0 in payments. That matches my $0 here. What you'll notice is that this is a corporate card. Corporate card ends in 7821. And then I have two cardholder cards. It doesn't matter that I have two cardholder cards and I have one corporate card. It doesn't matter that I've reconciled everything onto the one account. I'm going to click Finish now. What I want you to see is how it looks on the chart of accounts. Let me scroll down. So on the chart of accounts, you've got the corporate card and you have the 6594 card. That's what you're seeing here. The corporate card and the 6594 card. This 8359 card, it's down here, but if you look at this register, none of this stuff showed up on the bank statement. So this is me working a course to demonstrate how to clean up messy books. Just pretend like you can't see that stuff. Pretend like what you see is just these first two and that you don't see the third one. What I wanted you to see is just when you're reconciling a corporate card, if you have this sub card underneath the corporate card, when you go to reconcile the corporate, all the charges from the sub or the cardholder card, they appear on the register for the corporate card. I'm going to demonstrate that by showing you this register. I'll click on View Register. You can see 132, 93, 58. These are all the cards on the sub card. If I go to the parent account, you see the same thing sitting here. So this is just a quick video on how to reconcile. I'm also showing you how to reconcile different than my other videos with corporate cards. When I'm reconciling a set of books with corporate cards, I really prefer to have everything as a main level account. That doesn't mean it's right or wrong, it just means it's my preference. Kind of like my preference is to drive a 4-door car versus a 2-door. Whatever you like is what you like. I hope this video has been helpful. If there's anything you'd like to see me demonstrate, please don't hesitate to let me know. As you see, I'm happy to make a whole QuickBooks file and make a fake bank statement and demonstrate whatever needs to be demonstrated. Thank you so much and have a great day.